Hey guys, Sarah from LifeSholdCostLess.com here, and today I would like to show you guys the basics of how to do a sweep and mop on a wood floor, and that will make it so that you're not damaging the wood by using too much water or scratching it like crazy. Anyway, I'm just going to show you how I do it so you have a basic understanding of a good way to do it. Cleaning 101. Why? Because we live at a time where we're at 2 or 3 generations of both parents working outside of the home. There's nothing wrong with that, but it sure does leave an awful lot of kids not knowing how to do basic, simple chores. So that's why I'm here. Before I show you guys how I sweep and mop, I wanted to show you how to prep the mop pad first so that we are ready to dive right in when it comes time to mop. The very first thing that I do is I fill up a bucket with warm water, and then I add a few drops of Sal Suds, my favorite liquid cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner. Anyway, I dip the mop pad in and I wring it out really well, and then I attach it to my mop and we're ready to go. Oh, and before I forget, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because believe it or not, even though I've had about 250,000 views on my channel so far, I still haven't made a penny. So if you could please subscribe and then share, I'd super appreciate it. Thank you. We start out with sweeping. I actually normally use my vacuum and just turn off the brush roller, but I couldn't very well tell you how to sweep and mop without getting out my broom. Talk about being a hypocrite. Anyway, I like to sweep everything into a pile in the center of the floor, and then I just go back around the edges to make sure that I got it all, and then I brush it into my dustpan. Then we are ready to mop using our previously prepared mop. I try to work in rows and apply pressure and mop back and forth until the whole floor has been done. And then if you see me bend down and scratch at something, that is because I am removing the stuck-on things on the floor that aren't coming off. If something's really bad, I will leave the mop pad on it and let it soak for a minute or two, and then I gently scrape it off. You can scrape things off with your fingernail, or a plastic spatula works too. Just be careful not to scratch the wood. If my floors are really dirty or just plain nasty, I put on a fresh mop pad and then do them a second time like I did here in this video. As you can see, the mop pads get really dirty in the process, which means success! Products I used were Dr. Bronner's Sal Suds multi-purpose cleaner. It's my favorite cleaner, and I will have links for that down below, as well as links to several other posts I've done in the past where I use it. And this is my O-Cedar or mop. Anyway, it's my favorite mop. I use it for my wall washing post too. Anyway, and then I have several of these, the mop pads that I bought as well. I have like 3 or 4 of them, and I just take them and wash them, and then I can do all of my hard floors like really fast. I love that they're washable so that we can just keep reusing them. See, they get pretty gross. Well, what did you think? Hopefully you found it helpful. If so, please make sure to let me know in the comments, share it. And also in the comments, you can let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn how to do. I grew up with a mom that kept a meticulously clean house, so I learned a lot from her, and then I've also learned a lot on my own because I was a housewife for almost 12 years, so got lots of experience. Anyway, thank you so much.